Hey traders, it's Tuesday, Trade Recap Tuesday. Let's bring you back to one of the trades that I've made last week. This one was on crude oil. Very interesting pair for this strategy, and I would love to show you all the things from the checklist to see why I entered on this trade. So, as you can see, I've marked up this level. Let's zoom out where it's coming from. It is the POC from the 14th of January. And as you can see, price never came to that level, almost right here. So it's creating liquidity because you know the highs and lows of the days are liquidity. That's where people are putting their stop losses. And then the next day, it got mitigated. So let's zoom in what the reaction was and where I entered and stopped the trade. So as we zoom in, you already see that my indicator, the imbalance, is already showing the dot. And if you zoom in here, you can see that we're having volume increase and also delta shift. Let's zoom in a bit more on the footprint itself. So this is our level, the POC from the 14th of January. Price was literally compressing towards the level. It mitigated the level, so we want to see at that moment also the volume increase. And as we zoom in, we see, and we need to be objective with the checklist. That's why it's a very conservative and strict checklist. You want to see the volume increase. So you see here 3,667 going to 4,040, which is objectively a volume increase. Maybe not that big, but it's still an increase. So we had more volume here on the key level, and we had our green delta. And since we're looking here for a sell setup, we want to see the red delta going from green to red because we want to see the seller stepping in from the moment that it's leaving this key level. We have our green delta, and then the next candle was also green delta. So we're still not stepping in because we really want to see that rejection from the key level. And then the next candle, more volume came in and we had a minus 40. Even though it's a minus 40, it is red. If it was minus 1, it is still objectively red delta, which gives us the confirmation to step in as well after that candle close. So the last thing that we're looking for is always the stacked imbalances. And as you can see, we had it here at the top, 0.25 combined with our 0.52. We actually also had it on the candle before, but I really just want to see it on that key level. So we have here all the things that we want to see. We want to have our volume increase. We want to see our delta shift and our stacked imbalances. So once we have spotted that and the candle is closed, we are entering after that candle close, putting our stop loss just above our stacked imbalances and aim for 1.5 hour. As you can see, that was really quick. We had 0 drawdown, and in 4 candles, so within 20 minutes, we had our TP. It's very quick and very good to read as well here on the chart. So let me know if you catch this trade as well, or if you want any more information about the checklist or the strategy. Let me know down below in the comments. Alright, have a good trading week.